Good evening, guys. This is Ankur here, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. So, to start with today's episode, I would like to take you to Adani Ports first, as I've suggested to buy Adani Ports above 705 on an intraday basis, on a swing basis, and the target suggested was 770. And today we saw that the moment it crossed 705, it made a high of 745 approximately, which turns out to be a intraday return of 5.65%. So that's a great breakout for us at Adani Ports. Hopefully you can book some profit here and carry the hold till the levels for 770. Coming to second stock for the day, I would like to present you commercial engine. As you have seen that in past also I have mentioned Alpha Geo and Bank of Baroda. If you would have seen those videos, I have mentioned very clearly that the reason of suggesting those stocks, the main reason was that the stock was giving a signal of bottoming out, right? So from a huge decline for several months, perhaps for several weeks, perhaps for several years, now those stocks are suggesting us for a bottoming out. Now, on what parameters we have decided that the stocks are getting bottoming out in a particular zone, which we have discussed at Alpha Geo and Bank of Baroda. Today, on a similar grounds, I would like to present commercial engine. Now, as you can see in this particular stock, there has been a consistent resistance. Previously, it was a resistance come support band. Then after that, it converted into completely resistance band. So the band was at 30.45 to 30.65. That was the band. And as you can see, let me just push it up. Yeah, so as you can see, there is a one resistance can support band. It fell, took the support and went up. Similarly, over here, it went, took support, went sideways for a few weeks, and this is, by the way, weekly chart. So it slipped, and thereafter it is in this particular zone. The stock is in this particular zone. Correct. This is a weekly chart from several weeks. Now, what happened on 18th of June in this particular stock? And some of you, if, those who are interested, can go and check NSE website. On 18th of June, there was an extraordinary volume in this stock. Generally, if you study the 3 month data, the volume analysis of this particular stock, the average volume you will get at 1.5 lakhs. However, on 18th of June, you can see an extraordinary volume of 32 lakhs, more than 32 lakhs, between 32 to 33 lakhs. So that was a kind of volume which occurred on 18th of June. Therefore, it is way high than the average volume of 1.5 lakhs. Having that kind of a volume, it gave a weekly breakout, and the stock settled above 30.45 to 30.65 kind of a band, and the stock gave a closing of 31.35. Other than that, the points which I have discussed in Alpha Geo and Bank of Baroda, this stock also given a bullish crossover, a positive crossover between 2060 and 200. So 20 exponential weekly exponential moving average crossed 60 weekly exponential average as well as 200 weekly exponential average. So that is a very bullish crossover, a bullish hint for us. If this is the right time to enter in the stock, and if the rally continues, the first target would be 39, which is 23% of the FIBO, and there we should book some profit. Stock may retrace, which will give us a strength to hold it for a medium to long term, and therefore a subsequent long term targets could be 58. So keep an eye on commercial engine. It is also showing a similar signals like Alpha Geo I have discussed. So this is also a stock which gave a breakout with a huge volumes, with a bullish crossover in that lowest bracket of the FIBO of 0 to 23.6%. So keep an eye. You can go for a medium to long term investment in this particular stock. The second stock for tomorrow, or maybe perhaps for a weekly basis, I would like to discuss would be TCS. Now TCS is showing us a chart pattern to us, which is an emerging ascending triangle. Correct? So the condition for the ascending triangle is very simple, that it is having a similar highs, which you can call as a double top or a triple top, having a higher lows. So this pattern, this kind of a formation is known as the ascending triangle. Now, every time we don't need a stock for a breakout, a continuous rally upwards or a continuous rally towards the downwards. A lot of time we should also figure out the stocks which are in a very good range, which can give us a clear cut picture about the resistance and the support of the 50% of the channel. Therefore, on a similar grounds, TCS closed today at 3,273. So as of now, with respect to today's closing, TCS is having a base of 3,245, correct? Until and unless it is taking the support, for example, this is our 3,245. During the day, it goes down, and you don't want to short TCS in your view, and the moment it crosses 3,225 and settles above 3,245, that is a confirmation for us to go long. Then this is 3,301 is a 50% of the channel. So if it goes from there, take the resistance, come down, either you can make a short on this particular, or you see during the day it goes above 3301, but before 3:30 it closed below 3301, then you can attempt for STBT with a very, it is not mandatory that it will come down. It may go up next day. It may cross 3301 after coming down at 3 before 3:30, below 3301. But the risk reward ratio is very favorable. Then on a similar ground, if it goes, moves and closes above 3301 before 3:30, around 320, around 325 or at 315, you can go for BTST. Target should be 3358. So it is in a very nice channel within the upper band. If you can divide the upper channel of the ascending triangle, so the three levels which are coming in front of us is 3358 as a life high, 3301 is a 50% of the channel, and 3245 as the base of the channel. Therefore, we can trade very, very patiently without having a lot of stress, without having huge swings up and down on the stock. Now, perhaps considering that if it goes below 3 through 3,245 and closes below 3,245, that is again a good risk reward ratio for you to go for a short. The moment it goes above 3,245, exit and go for a long, or wait, keep a 1% stop loss above 3,245, right? And see whether it is crossing 3,301 on the same day or not. If it is giving you this kind of a wick at around this region, as you can see, you can go for STPT. So very clear cut channel in Tata Consultancy Services to trade on for an intraday basis. If there is a range bound day in Nifty, this kind of a structure are the best to trade for. Correct? So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching technical analysis, the unbiased view. Bye bye.